Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I put in my clip-in extensions and blend them in with my hair. So today I'm going to be using these Glam Seamless extensions. I believe these are 22 inch and they come in the color 60. My hair has slight gold in it, so this kind of has, like, it's not fully platinum. But yeah, it comes in this really cute box, and it comes with 7 pieces. I got the Invisi Clip so that it kind of like blends in a little bit with your hair. And each of these boxes come with a test strand, so you can open this up and see if it'll match your hair before you open the entire box. That way, because if you open this and open up all the hair, you can't return it. But if you just test it out and it doesn't work out, you can return it and get an exchange. But yeah, Glam Seamless sent me over these extensions and I really love them. The quality is really great and they're super easy to use, and I highly recommend them. Now, these extensions were just a little bit lighter than my hair, but they still blended really great. Now, the first thing you want to do is brush out the extensions. And here I'm using the Glam Seamless extension brush. Honestly, this hair is super luxe and I always feel like $1,000,000 when I wear them. It's just a little light, but we're gonna make it work. And then now I'm gonna brush my own hair. And then I start unclipping the extensions before I put them in. The first weft has about 3 clips, and I clip this a section a little bit below my ear. And then you just gotta make sure that it's secure and feels good and comfortable. The next weft has 4 clips. And then again, section the hair and clip them just a little bit above the last one. In between each section and the back, I like to leave about maybe like a ½ inch or an inch in between each. And then again, just make sure everything's comfortable. It shouldn't feel like any hairs are pulling. And then this next section is about a ½ inch above the ears, and it's gonna be your largest section. Now this next section has 5 clips in the weft, and just be sure to unclip them before you clip it in. A little helpful tip with clip-in extensions is to curl your hair and the extension hair prior to putting them in, so that once they're all in, you can just touch up the curls with a curling iron, so it's not too much of a hassle. And then after I'm done placing in this larger weft, this will be my last piece in the back, and I'll move on to the sides. And then this first piece on the side, I'm going to be sectioning just a little bit above the last one. And these side ones come with 2 clips. The first side one I like to clip a little bit away from the hairline, and then the next one on top of that will be closer toward the hairline. This gives it a brick-lay effect so that there's no holes in your extensions. And then I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. And then I'm going to brush my hair with the extensions so that they kind of blend in together a little bit better. And then I'm using my 1 1/4 Babyliss Pro curling iron, and I'm just going to touch up some of these curls. And like I said earlier, I highly recommend that you curl your hair and the extension hair before putting in the extensions so that you're just touching it up, because it could be a little bit challenging when you're trying to curl everything, like all of the hair with your hair and how long it is. You can even see here I struggle a little bit because the ends of the hair kind of get caught as you're clamping. So it's just best to curl your hair prior and then just do a little bit of touch-ups. And when I'm grabbing sections of my hair, I like to make sure that I'm grabbing pieces that are part of the extension and my hair, curling it together so that it blends in even better. And And here's the finished look with the extensions, and see how well it blends with my hair. Even though they were slightly lighter than my natural, it kind of gives me that ombre effect a little bit. And yeah, I love these extensions. They're super soft, and you can definitely tell that they're really good quality, and they are really easy to put in. They have so many different shades, and I just love them as a brand. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys at my next one. Bye!